The sustainable limits of what you can catch out of the ocean at the moment have been reached, and you can't physically catch any more out of the seas. Farm fish, especially salmon, are carnivores. We have to go out and catch all the small fish, mince them up, and use them to feed our farm fish. When you look down the food chain, the algae are the ones that actually produce the omega-3s. So if you can produce the algae and you can grow that algae, you can get the omega-3s without actually having to go through the whole food chain. One of the things that's really abundant in Scotland is the byproducts of the whisky industry. You take all the whisky byproducts and some other bits and you put them into these big stainless steel tanks and you let the algae feed on all of that nutritious goodness. It's like algae farming. All of the world's omega-3 industries seem to want to embrace us at the minute. So the pet food industry is our main one at the moment. We're working with the aquafeed industry. We're currently in the process of building out our full commercial site, and that's thousands of tons worth of product every year, which is the omega-3 world a good start, but a drop in the bucket. So we've got lots more fish to save still. For us, it's been huge in terms of credibility in the market. I think when we talk about our ability to impact what comes out of the ocean and our ability to look after the oceans, I think having the Earthshot prize behind us has been a huge win for us.